Good morning, children. Today we are going to study a new chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. What is a linear equation? The word linear means line. Linear equation means equation of a line. What is the degree of the equation of a line? Degree is first degree equation. Then our topic is linear equation in two variables. That means that two variables is of first degree. Look at the examples. The 2x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables. Variables are x and y and the degree of that variables are 1. Then another one, 4x minus 8y plus 6 is equal to 0 is a and another is a linear equation. This contains 4x minus 8y plus 6 is equal to 0. Variables are x and y and degree of variables are 1. Then what is how to write the general form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a and b not equal to 0 is a general form of a linear equation. Listen. General form of a linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a, b not equal to 0. Next one is general form of a pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equation means the 2x minus 6y plus 2 is equal to 0 is one equation. Another 5x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0 is another linear equation. These two together called pair. What is the general form of this pair of linear equation? a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers and one condition, a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0, a2 square plus b2 square not equal to 0. Look here, general form of a pair of linear equations in two variables is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers and a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0, a2 square plus b2 square not equal to 0. We have to find the solution of a pair of linear equations in two variables. We have two methods. One is algebraic method and other is graphical method. To solve a pair of linear equation, we have two methods, algebraic method and graphical method. Algebraic method contains three types. 1. Substitution method, elimination method. 2. Elimination method. 3. Cross multiplication method. Multiplication method. Algebraic method includes three types: substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Here, this cross multiplication method is not included in our topic this year. We have to study only substitution method and elimination method. Now listen, to solve and find the values of x and y, we are given statement form of questions. First we frame equations, then solve that equation. Here given one statement form of question. You have to frame this equation. Read this question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically. That means we have to frame equation. For that, Aftab tells his daughter. First we assume the present age of Aftab is X and Aftab's daughter is Y. At present, let the age of Aftab is equal to X years. Again, age of Aftab's daughter Y years. Then look at the question. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago. Present age of Aftab is X years. What is 7 years ago? What is Aftab's age? X minus 7. And Aftab's daughter's age is Y minus 7. So 7 years ago, Aftab's age is equal to X minus 7 years. And Aftab's daughter's age is equal to Y minus 7 years. Then, what is our question? 7 years ago, I was. Here I who? I is Aftab. Aftab's age is equal to 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you. Aftab's age is equal to 7 into daughter's age. So what is Aftab's age? 7 years ago. What is Aftab's age? Aftab's age is equal to X minus 7 is equal to 7 times 7 years ago I here Aftab was 7 times as old as you. 7 into daughter's age. 7 into what is daughter's age? Y minus 7 equals X minus 7 is equal to 7Y minus 49. Bring same side. X minus 7 minus 7Y plus 49 is equal to 0. X minus 7Y. What is minus 7 plus 49 plus 42 is equal to 0. X minus 7Y plus 42 is equal to 0. One equation. That is the first part of our question. Then look at the second part. Second part, also 3 years from now. Right? 3 years from now. What is after 3 years from now means after 3 years. What is Aftab's age? X plus 3 years. And daughter's age. Daughter's age is Y plus 3 years. What is the condition given? 3 years from now, I shall be. I here Aftab. Aftab's age. I shall be 3 times as old as you. 3 into age of daughter. What is Aftab's age after 3 years? X plus 3 is equal to 3 into daughter's age is Y plus 3. Solve. X plus 3 is equal to 3Y plus 9. Same side. X plus 3 minus 3Y minus 9 is equal to 0. X minus 3Y plus 3 minus 9 is minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation 2. So second equation is x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. First equation is x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Represent this equation algebraically. That means we frame this equation. Now homework 3.1, 2 and 3. Thank you.